Let's talk a little about the game tool. In this video, I'll show you how to use the tool and how to make decisions in the game. Let's take a few moments to optimize your screen ahead of using the tool. Once you open the tool, you should see a screen that looks like this. Use the View button, then the Show button, then finally click Formula Bar to hide it. Then, use the Zoom tool and adjust it to a level so the right margin of the sheet fits in the viewing window. Finally, click the View button again and enter full screen mode. You can use your Escape key on your keyboard to exit this mode at any time. Perfect, now you're ready to go. This is the first screen you'll see in the tool. Take some time to read through the message. Once you're done reading, decide on your team name. It must start with your team letter and can be up to 8 characters. Once you're happy, tick the box to continue to the next stage. The next screen you'll see is the Targets page. On the left of your screen is the side panel. Here you will see your team name, a checkbox to ask for help, and the time you need to finish this set of tasks. Below this, you will see some instructions for the current task. On the right-hand side is where your active task appears. In this case, you'll see your 3 targets for this round. Underneath each target is some useful information on how they are calculated. Some of your decisions will reveal more information as you go through the game. For example, here, we have the KPI map. To move on to the next task, you will use the sidebar. Click on the cell with the arrow, then click the link that appears. Before you take action, you need a clear picture of where things stand. This is your data view. It gives you key data on how your dealership is performing across all your functions. All your decisions should be grounded in improving these KPIs to achieve the goals of the round, but also to create a sustainable business. As you make decisions that impact your operations, the KPIs will inform you how your mission is progressing and how you compare against your competitors. Attached to most of the KPIs are notes that you can view to understand what it is and how it is calculated. Below your operational data, there is some information from external sources, which may also help you set your strategy in this round. When you're ready, hit the arrow to continue. You can always come back to check this tab later. This is where you shape your strategy for this round. You'll decide where to place your focus. You can invest in basic requirements, in building the capability of the employees, in improving processes, or in upgrading systems. These choices will be made separately for each function in your business, for new cars, used cars, service and support. The decisions you take here will compound as we go through the game. You've got a fixed budget for the round. You don't have to spend it all, but it will not carry over to the next round. Scroll to see all your options, selecting investments as you go. Remember to keep an eye on your spend in the top right of your screen. Once your team is aligned, tick the box in the sidebar to submit. That's your final decision. There's no going back. Whilst other teams are finalizing their decisions, you can look through the strategy results page. After that, we will have a discussion as a whole group.